Exercise 3.1. First question you can see. If A is a matrix of type P into Q. A is a matrix of type P into matrix of type P into Q means matrix with P rows and Q columns. Means P rows columns. R is a row of A. R is a row of, let's say this is A matrix. I am writing here. A11, A12 and A1. How many columns? Q columns. So A1, Q. How many rows? PQ. So AP1, AP2 and then AP. Right, like this again, A21, A22 and then A2. This is what? Columns, this is what? Total rows how many? P rows. Total columns how many? Q columns. So like this I can write. So R is a row of A. Any row it can be, let's say this is a row. So R is a row of, this means A11, A12 and then A1. It means, what is the type of R as a matrix? If I write, what is the type of R as a matrix? How many rows are there? One row. Columns how many? So 1 into Q. So type of matrix R is what? Order is what? Type or order. That is 1 into Q. I can write 1 into Q type. Now second question you can see. If A is a column matrix with 5 rows. Column matrix means only one column will be there. Column matrix means only one column is there. A1, 1. A2, 1. First row, first column. Second row, first column. Only one column is there in column matrix. A11, A21, A31 and so on. Till now with 5 rows. So A41 I am writing A41, A51 because total 5 rows are there. And it is a column matrix, so only single column will be there. So how many elements are there? A11, A21, A31, A41, A51. Now they are saying, but then what type of matrix is a row of what type of matrix is a row of A? Row of A, any row you take, let's say this, anything you can take, A11 if I am taking. What is the order? One row, one column. So 1 into 1 type. This is the answer. Now third question you can see. If a matrix has 5 elements, write all possible orders it can have. How to write? Let me show you. We know if a matrix is order m into n, if any matrix is of order m into n, means how many elements will be there? Mn elements will be there total. Mn elements will be there. Here it's given if a matrix has 5 elements, write all possible orders it can have. 5 elements means total how many elements are there? Mn is equal to what? 5 elements. So how many possible orders it can have? So how to write 5 elements? So write like this. 1, 5. 1 5s are 5, right? And 5 1s are 5. Other than I can't write anything. So 1 5, one ordered pair is 1 5, other ordered pair is what? 5 comma 1. Is it clear? So hence the possible orders are, these are the ordered pair. Hence the possible pairs are 1 into 5 and 5 into 1. Like this you have to solve. Second part. If a matrix has 8 elements, total how many elements? 8 elements. Then what are the possible orders it can have? So write 1, 8. 1 8s are 8. Now just move to second. 1 after 1, 2. 2 4s are also 8. 3, it won't come. 4, 4 it will come. 4 2s are 8. But 2, 4 already I have written, so 4 2 no need to write. Only you can interchange this. So how many possible orders will be there? 1 8, 8 into 1, 2 into 4, 4 into 2. So 4 possible orders will be there. 1 into 8, 8 into 1, 2 into 4, 4 into 2. Like this you have to solve. It's very easy exercise. Second part is over. Now fourth question you can see. If a matrix has 18 elements, how many elements are there? 18 elements. So how will you write? 1, 18. 1 into 18. Now go to 2. 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. 4 table it won't come. 5 table it won't come. 6 3 is 18. So 6 3 already 3 6 is written. No need to write. So 1 into 18 one pair. 18 into 1. 1 into 18 18 into 1. 2 into 9 9 into 2. 3 into 6 and 6 into 3. Like this you can write all the pairs. So 1 into 18 18 into 1. 2 into 9 9 into 2. 3 into 6 6 into 3. Fourth question is over. Now fifth question. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? First, 24 elements. So how will you write? 1, 24. Like this you can solve. 1 24 are 24, 24 ones are 24. 2 staple, 2 12 are 24. 3 table, 3 8s are 24. 4 6 are 24. 5 table it won't come. 6 4s are 24. So already 4 6 is written. So no need to write again 6 and 4. So 1 into 24 one pair. 24 into 1. 2 into 12. 12 into 2. 3 into 8. 8 into 3. 4 into 6 and 6 into 4. 1 into 24, 24 into 1, 2 into 12, 12 into 2, 3 into 8, 8 into 3, 4 into 6 and 6 into 4. Now in this question only they are asking, what if it has 13 elements? 13 elements means you can write 1 and 13 elements, 1 and 13. 1 13s are 13 and 13 ones are 13. 2 stable, 3 stable, it won't come. So 1 into 13 and 13 into 1 is the other pair. Like this you have to solve. Fifth question is over. Now sixth question. Sixth question, first part. If for a 2 into 2 matrix A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I by J. For a 2 into 2 matrix means it's given A is equal to Aij. It's a 2 into 2 matrix. Means 2 rows, 2 columns. So how can you write? A11, A12, A21, A22. Is it clear? And Aij is given by I by J. Write the value of A12. You have to write the value of A12. And Aij is equal to I by J. Then A12 is equal to what? 1 by 2. This is the answer. Now sixth, second part. It's given. Write the element A23 of a 3 into 3 matrix. 3 into 3 means 3 rows, 3 columns. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. They are asking write the value for A23. You have to write the value of this, and Aij is given by mod of I minus j upon 2. So mod of A23 will be what? Mod of 2 minus 3 upon 2. This is what? Mod of minus 1 upon 2. Mod of minus 1 will be 1 by 2. This is the answer. A23 is equal to 1 by 2. Now third part, sixth to third part. Sixth question. Third part you can see. If A is a 3 into 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 3, Aij is equal to 1 by 3 mod of minus 3i plus j. Write the value of A23. You have to write the value of A23. Directly I am writing. A23 will be what? 1 by 3 minus 3 into 2 plus 3. 2 is what? I. 3 is what? J. So 1 by 3 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 6 plus 3. 1 by 3 mod of minus 3. So 1 by 3 into 3, that is 1. Answer is 1. Is it clear? A23 is equal to 1. Now fourth part you can see. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A is equal to Aij whose elements Aij are given by. You have to write 2 into 2 matrix. Means A11, A12, A21, A22 and Aij is equal to I plus 2j. Full matrix you have to write. So you can write I, J. So 1 plus 2 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into 2. So 1 plus 2 is what? 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2, that is 4. 2 plus 2 into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this you can write. Now 6th question is over. Now 7th question you can see. 7th question. Question number 7. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. A is equal to Aij whose elements are given by first part. It is like this: A11, A12, A21, A22. First part I am doing. It's given Aij is equal to 2i minus j. 2i minus j. So you can write here. It will be what? 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 into 1 minus 2, 2 into 2 minus 1, 2 into 2 minus 2. So what will you write? 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. 2 to the 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 2 to the 4, 4 minus 2, 2. So 1, 0, 3, 2. Like this you can write. Now second part. Aij is equal to I minus 2j whole square, I minus 2j whole square upon 2. So you can write. How will you write? Matrix you can write. This one. How will you write? 1 minus 2 into 1 whole square upon 2. This 1 minus 2 into 2 whole square upon 2. Here 2 minus 2 into 1 whole square upon 2 and 2 minus 2 into 2 whole square upon 2. Like this you can write. So 1 minus 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square is 1. 1 by 2. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is 9 by 2. 2 minus 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 square is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 to the 4. So 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 whole square, that is 4. 4 by 2. So 1 by 2, 9 by 2, 0, 2. Third part. Aij is equal to mod of 2i minus 3j. Mod of 2i minus 3j. So how will you write? 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1. 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2. 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2. Like this you can write. 2 minus 3, 2 minus 6, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 6. Minus 1, minus 4, 1 minus 2. Minus 1, minus 4, 1 minus 2. You can write this. This is all mod in mod. So everything will come in mod. So all will be positive values. 1, 4, 1, 2. 1, 4, 1, 2. Like this you can write. Now question number 7 is over. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Constructed 2 by 3 matrix, means 2 rows and 3 columns. So A1, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. 2 into 3 matrix means 2 rows and 3 columns. Like this you can write. It's 2 by 3 matrix. Now B is equal, a matrix B is equal to, this is B is equal to, so B is equal to given Bij, whose elements Bij are given by, first part I am solving, Bij is equal to I minus 3j. I minus 3j. So how will you write? I minus 3j. 1 minus 3 into 1. 1 minus 3 into 2. 1 minus 3 into 3. 2 minus 3 into 1. 2 minus 3 into 2. 2 minus 3 into 3. So 1 minus 3, 1 minus 6, 1 minus 9, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 6, 2 minus 9. So we'll get minus 2, minus 5, minus 8, minus 1, minus 4, minus 7. Minus 2, minus 5, minus 8, minus 1, minus 4, minus 7. Now second part. Now second part you can see Bij is equal to I plus 2j whole square. So how will you write matrix P? I plus 2j whole square. So it was like this. I am writing here B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23. So you will write here 1 plus 2 into 1 whole square, 1 plus 2 into 2 whole square, 1 plus 2 into 3 whole square, 1 plus 2 plus 2 into 1 whole square, 2 plus 2 into 2 whole square, 2 plus 2 into 3 whole square. So you will get 1 plus 2, 3 whole square, that is 9. 1 plus 4, 5 whole square, that is 25. 1 plus 6 whole square, 7 square, that is 49. Here you will get 2 plus 2, 4. 4 whole square, that is 16. 2 plus 2 to the 4. So 6 square is 36. 2 plus 3 to the 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 8 is 64. Like this you can solve. Question number 8 is over. Now rest of the questions I will do in next video. Thank you.